Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another tip regarding shortwave listening and how you can improve it, possibly. Now, I'm no expert, so I want to say that right off the hand. I'm no expert, and if I make a mistake, please leave a comment so that that mistake doesn't stay out there and gets corrected. Anyway, today we're going to talk about location, location, location. If you're going to listen to shortwave on say a portable radio like this one here, and you're going to try to use the built-in telescopic antenna, which this one is only about 24 inches long, which is way too short for shortwave, but that's another subject. You want to have that radio in a RF noise environment free. No RF noise, or the least possible RF noise. Now, for instance, in my office where I'm at right now, I have 5 or 6 computers on. I have a cable box, a cable modem. I have a router, I have a cable switch, and I have various mice on. Mice are very bad about emitting RF noise. I got a couple of tablets running, and I got this cell phone running. So lots of RF in here. This is a bad place to try to listen to shortwave using the built-in antenna. You need to take the radio to a different room, maybe. That might help. Maybe not. Maybe if you can find a room that's opposite all of your electronics, that might help. But the kitchen nowadays are filled with electronics that's generating RF. Just sitting there, generating RF. Microwave, turn that microwave, that generates all kinds of RF. Anyway, the best solution is to either just go outside, like in your backyard, and get away from the house, stay away from power lines. Or even a better thing is to go to a park where the power lines are farther away. There's no buildings or anything that's got electronics of any kind inside. That's where you're going to get the best reception. Maybe that's inconvenient. Maybe just your backyard, or maybe even one of your neighbors that you know real well. Maybe they have a backyard or front yard that has low RF noise from appliances and stuff like that. So that's the tip for today. Get away from RF noise if you can. Like I say, I can't use this radio in this room. It's just too much RF noise. I did a band scan story before I did this video, and it picked up nothing but noise. That's all it picked up. So that's the tip for the day. If you have any comments, please leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And have a great day. Bye-bye.